Some time ago, I made a Discord bot for my girlfriend that sends her a message every morning with Python. And that got me thinking, can we also do this with that? And that's when I discovered Nix. Nix is a complete, robust, and effective wrapper around Discord's API for bots and applications. And in today's video, we'll be building a Discord bot with Nix. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also like this video, and without wasting time, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is open up our command prompt. Navigate to the folder you want to create your project and then type in that create -t console simple, and right here you have the name of your project. So yeah, I'll just call it Discord bot. Okay, I'll navigate to the Discord bot and then I will add my dependency, which is Nix. That's for add Nix. Okay, cool. Let's start up our code editor. So right here we have our folder. You can see our dat2, the bin, then the boxplay.yaml file, which we have the Nix dependency right here. So here I will delete all this and import Nix. So package Nix dot okay. And then we'll create our void main function, and inside this main function is where we'll write all our code. So the first thing we need to do is to create our client, and this is the client which will be talking and receiving messages from Discord. So client equals to await, and since this is an asynchronous function, we need to add a sync right here. So await Nix dot connect gateway. Right, so here we can see we need our token and we need the intent. Let's head over to Discord developer portal to create our token. So right here you press new application and you give it a name. So you say, let me think of a name. Okay, Discord Nix. Click right here and click on create disk Nix. I am human. Okay, our bot has been created. So we head over to bot right here. Select, you can use any icon you want, but to get your token, you can just press here the reset token and it will give you a new token. Okay, and here is my token. So I'll copy this and in my code here I'll paste it. We'll come back to the intents later. Since this is a basic Discord bot, you don't need to add a lot of permissions. So in this auth URL generator, you just select the scope for bots and the scope for applications commands, and then in the bot permission we just need this bot to respond when it is tagged in the group. We tag send message and then view channels. Okay, so this is all the permission we need. You can copy, and this link will be used to add the bot in your server. So let me create a new server, then friends. Okay, so I'll paste the link in my browser. and you select the server you want to add it and just click on authorize. Okay, and it has been successfully added to your server. So let's check it. You can see it's in my server now. Let's continue writing our code in the editor. The intent we need, since there are two types of intents. Let's see, gateway intent dot all privilege and gateway intent dot all unprivileged. Since this is just a basic bot and it's not doing much, we'll be using the all unprivileged. And right here we have created our client. Now we need to create the bot user. So final bot equals to await client dot users dot fetch current user, and this current user is the bot which you just created, the Discord mix. And now we'll check if the bot is tagged on the server. It should reply with a particular message. So client dot on message, client yes dot on message create dot listen. So if listens to an event, the event is asynchronous. Okay, if event dot mentions, where is it like this, if events dot mentions dot contains the bot, it should await an event dot message dot channel, and then it should send a message. So this code is like this. The client will listen if there's an event that mentions the bot, then we send a message to that channel. So message builder, and our message builder, we need the content of the message. So we say I want to mention the person that tagged the bot. So I event dot message dot author dot id, comma, how may I help you today? And then we also need a reply id, which is the message that will be tagged. So reply id is the event dot message dot id. And now we have an error here. There should be one here, and then there should be one. Alright, cool. So let me explain this code. We have our client here which we created to communicate with Discord with our token. We have our bot here, and then once this client will listen for a message, if the message or if the event tags our bot which we created here, then the client will send a message to the server replying to the person that tagged the bot. Let's see this in action. Let me run this. And our bot should be online now. Let me check the members. So it's online. If I should tag at Discord next, we see this. How may I help you today? But I want to show my name instead of my ID. So I'll come here and say username and restart the bot. So at Discord next, Vikkybliz, how may I help you? See, there's a spelling error here, but you get the gist. So guys, this video will be stopping today. The next lesson, I'll show you how you can host your Discord bots for free. And if you want to know how to create the type of bot I created for my girlfriend, put it in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next lesson, guys.